All right, guys. Now we've done all the stuff on the inside, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put this door panel back on. Make sure that you don't forget these two plugs. Plug those guys in first. There's a little purple thing right here. I still don't have no idea what this does, but I know there's a plug right here. Plug that in. I know what this one does. This is for the light. Plug that guy in. And then you got to get these two guys in. One's there, and this other one is here. All right, and then you got these two guys, and the big one, black, goes on the bottom and clips in. And then there's this one that goes in here. And it clips in. And yep, they're all in. So what I do is, see this lip right here? This slides on top of that, so make sure you get that. Slide them first, and then I usually take a look and see these white pins, they're lined up. You know, that's should go on pretty simple. And then your two screws, one that goes right here, right in here, and then just close this beauty cap. And the one down in here. Voila. And close that down like that. That's how you remove and replace and reinstall a door panel on a 2017 Outback. And I believe they're the same from 17, 18, 19. Actually 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All the same. Subscribe to our channel. We got more coming, guys, and thanks for watching.